driving aggressively. Rob Lange in that Chrysler Imperial, number 50, driving around, hasn't made much contact. Number 68, Dylan Schaefer, still his flag is out. Green hit. Remains in the front end of that Chrysler Imperial. Drive up that 68 wagon driven by Mike Green. Roll in, it's got more than two tires, so 3 tires or more off the berm, you're out. Currently I see 3 cars running, 4 with flags. We got car number 101 driven by Brian Harvey, R2D2 by Cory Bowman, car number 50, that Chrysler Imperial driven by Rob Lange for Casper. So Big D, what's your call in? What's your call in this event? Who do you think's gonna win? Alright, we've got 5 cars running. I'm gonna have a hard flag here right here. Dylan Schaefer's looking pretty strong. We got 3 Chryslers right now. And actually 4 Chryslers running right now. And 1 Lincoln Unicorn. As you can see, those guys driving those Chryslers are not afraid to use the front end. We still got 4 cars running and 1 in the front. I think the sound car's looking a little bit rough. The Chrysler products seem to be dominating each one. Some people are a little afraid to go head to head. That 84 is right there by Dylan Masterson. They're going to have to work pretty hard to get that number 50 out. That car's well experienced and driven by a good driver. As you can see, he's got the lower-gear variants in that Imperial. Track starts to dry out a little bit. We've got to get a little bit better track. Right, man, made a mistake. One of the things you don't want to do, baby, is drive up on that berm. I don't know if Bryce is going to get off. What do you think? Alright, currently we've got 2 cars going. Pad 2 is now breaking his stick. We've got 3 cars with flags up. We've got Bryce Harvey on the berm, Cory Bowman, and Rob Lange. Cory Bowman is driving a 63 Chrysler New Yorker. Bryce is driving the Chrysler 366, and Rob Lange's got that B68 Chrysler Imperial. Currently, we're taking the top 2 cars running, the last 2 cars running, with these cars going into the final. Now, even though Bryce has got his car running, he's got to be moving and hit a car to make it. All right, Rob Lange just making sure he's got a hit in. Judges are watching. I don't see these guys haven't broken their flags. Until they break their flag, Rob Lange can hit anybody he wants. We're down to 2 now. Bryce Harvey broke his flag. He's got his helmet off. Cory, break your flag. Break your flag. Just Okay, judges says the last two, we got